What is up, guys? It's Shani, and in today's video I'm wearing no makeup and my hair is wet. Wow, it's not my normal setup. I'm usually downstairs with the red background, but today I wanted to try something new. I wanted some natural lighting, you know what I'm saying? And I got this new mirror, you know what I'm saying? So we lit. But probably a room tour coming very soon because I changed up my room. I threw out some stuff and I'm just overall trying to make like a new space and stuff like that, trying to get really creative with my area, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely different vibes going on and definitely a room tour coming very soon. Right now, I will be doing that trend that everybody's been doing, everybody and their mama up in YouTube is doing right now. I tried following a blank makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna be following that trend, and I don't know if it's a trend challenge thing, so I'm really excited because I'm gonna be following Airams makeup tutorial. And I'm so blessed that Airams is like not crazy, you know, she doesn't wear like blue eyelids, you know what I'm saying, and like blue lipstick. Very simple, natural look. A little natural look would like be really different for my channel, so let's just get started.
Excuse my hair because this is prior to the getting
Sure,
ready,
her hair's up,
but
so I'm gonna put my hair up.
As you guys know, I am obsessed, literally obsessed with this LA Girl foundation.
I don't have LA Girl, but I have Urban Decay or Kat Von D.
Illuminating foundation, and I'm in the shade Fair. This is my third one already, and they're not that expensive. It's like literally like $8 or $7. It's nothing crazy. But before that, we always have to prep the skin. So I will take my Max Plus, and I'm running low on this. Fix Plus, sorry. And I'll just...
So I don't know, I don't have that, but I have that, I already put it on, but I'm just gonna moisturize the skin.
Okay. So usually...
Because I'm guessing that's what she's using to moisturize and prime. So I'm just using...
Professional.
So I'm just using my Trader Joe's, sounds weird, my Trader Joe's face lotion moisturizer. And honestly, it's so good. Literally all of my skin products are from Trader Joe's. Love it. Okay, so I already put moisturizer.
Professional, but I literally ran out. Like, I have nothing left in there. So, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so obviously the next step, now that I have primed my face, the foundation that I was just talking.
She said she has the Professional. I have it right here. And she said she ran out, so I'm just gonna use mine. And I'll just share with Airams since she doesn't have hers. So yeah, okay, so just gonna... I literally don't even use it sometimes.
So, and then I will usually end up taking my Morphe Y6 brush. I like brushes for foundation, but I don't... That's not all I use. I use my Real Techniques sponge as well.
She uses sponges. She is going in with the foundation.
For your date night, you don't want to look too cakey. At least for me, I don't like looking too crazy.
She didn't put a lot.
I accidentally do.
She's gonna use a Morphe brush, and I'm gonna use a Morphe brush as well.
I just put the eye. This one just like going in circles. So this is the part where I feel the ugliest. Honestly.
She just. This is hard. Okay, she's just going in.
I look like a ghost.
Alright, so it's hard to like go on back and forth. Look at me. So Airams used a brush similar to this one, I guess, and it was Morphe, and she was going in circles all around her face, on the bottom half of her face. So let's just zoom in a little bit. She's doing circles.
I just had foundation on.
And she...
Still gonna add some concealer to make myself look a little bit whiter. But
Sis, you're going too fast.
Great. That means good signs, guys. That means I did not use them.
So she said she doesn't like a lot of foundation, which is true. Airams doesn't wear a lot of foundation. She doesn't really need it. Unlike me, your sis has a lot of acne and needs it. So I'm just gonna... But on her forehead, she did something completely different. She grabbed her beauty blender and literally just started going like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I honestly am not a fan of beauty blenders.
Wave, but sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. Just depends on my hashtag mood.
I'm following literally everything she's doing.
So heart-shaped tape contour, concealer.
I have that as well.
Shade light neutral, which is not...
I have light neutral as well. Shouldn't be using this one because...
Which is not like that much brighter than my foundation already.
So she just put it under her eyes.
Keep things very
As
natural
this,
up
like
in
this.
because the house, like, this
She did not put a lot, but you don't need a lot for this concealer.
And concealer, but I like to keep it very simple, very...
She goes really fast.
Don't get me wrong, I'm not always like this. I sometimes like a full face. You guys can ask Isaac. Like, I sometimes will go all out, but...
Ask Isaac.
Usually for days,
Let me ask
I like to
Isaac.
keep it very casual and very sweet and very, you know what I mean, casual. After that, I will usually go straight into setting my face because I don't like having my makeup just sit there for days and days and days and have it crease up.
So she's putting it on. Let me put some on too.
Just to set my face because my
Weird.
T-zone tends to get a lot more oily than any other part of my face, so I like to set that, and then obviously my under eyes. And
Oh, she used her
crazy right now. But yeah, I get
beauty
very,
blender.
very, like, self-conscious about creasing and stuff, which I'm gonna need Botox by the age of 18, which is in a couple months. So if anybody wants to hashtag sponsor me, that would be great. But yeah, I like to take my concealer. I mean, not my concealer, my contour. And I don't do anything crazy with my contours. I just grab a powder and
Grab some
brush.
contours. Grab some
And
powder and
take it
brush.
away. And then I've been doing a contour with a different brush. I know this isn't your normal brush to contour with. I'm aware of that. But I think I just recently started doing this literally like a couple of days ago, like this past week. Like I started doing this on Wednesday.
I don't like those. So.
Oh no, it's been exactly a week then.
Okay, she's gonna grab a brush.
And I think this like leaves my contour looking a lot more natural and like I said,
This one looks more
very
like it.
natural look. So I just like to like just not messily, but
She didn't tell us which contour palette she's using, so I'm just gonna use Tarte Pro Glow.
Shape out the face of my face.
Kind of looks similar to what she's
I
kind
was
of
very,
holding.
very scared of this at one point in my life, and then I realized it's not as scary as you think, and I figured out how to work it. So what I like doing is like once I just like grabbing into the back of.
Sis, you're going too fast for my. She's not even telling us what she's using.
I don't know. I think that just.
But
is
she's
the
just
way it
brushing
worked
it.
out best for me. There was never anything crazy. I would just put
brushing
some to the back of the lid and keep. It saves a lot of pomade as well.
It looks like she's using Anastasia, so.
It helps you control it a little bit better. So just
Back of the lid.
I don't like to shape my brows. I just like to fill in.
What is that?
So
she's just filling in her
Like
brows.
I said, I like to keep just the natural shape of what I already have and leave that as it is.
Because Airam literally doesn't even need makeup for her brows. She has nice brows.
I like to go straight into my eyeshadow, and to be honest, you guys, like this
Okay.
whole makeup routine, this is pretty much a makeup routine for beginners like me, because I consider myself a beginner because my makeup is very simple and very natural and very just
Her makeup is very
nothing crazy. There's nothing crazy going on. There's no cut crease. There's no half cut crease. There's no cut crease at all. We keep it cut crease free in here.
Just tell me what brush you're using.
Yeah, I just, first of all, I don't know what I used to do without bronzer in my eye. I think it adds so much.
Okay, so she's using a bronzer,
I think it adds so much.
but I can't tell what bronzer she's
It's
using.
literally the simplest thing you could do. And I'll just take a little blending and I'll just take a little blending brush and put that literally all over my eye.
Okay, so I'm literally gonna do exactly what Airam is doing. Alright, so Airam is using a blending brush, and I am gonna also be using my blending brush. And she said she uses a bronzer to put on her lid, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using this MAC bronzer, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid, just like Airam.
First of all, ties everything together because like all the bronzer you already have on, plus it on your eye. It's just cute. I think it's very cute, very girly. And then for the center of the eye, I don't like to just keep it just bronzer. So I will usually like to add highlighter, which is like another
That's smart. I do that all the time. I put blush in my eye when I'm
it's
on a
another
rush.
obviously non-eyeshadow product, but I think if you just work with what you have, like a lot of people will put lipstick or put like this
yeah,
or
that's
that
true.
on their eyeshadow, or like anyway, like they just add everything to anything, you know what I mean? But I'm
So
first
she's
of all
putting-
in love with it. It's so cool.
She's putting highlighter on her lid. Okay, that's fine. We'll do
I
that.
was like, this is on point.
So
then
I'm.
just
She doesn't even
just
tell us.
highlighter and-
Did she tell
or,
us
like,
what
anyway,
highlighter
like,
she
they just
uses?
add-
Alright guys, I went back to see what type of highlighter she uses. She doesn't say what highlighter she uses, but I'm just gonna use a ColourPop highlighter.
And bronzer, I will blend those two together so it doesn't look...
Just use a highlighter from ColourPop and one of my Morphe brushes.
So I would just recomb my eyelashes with Scopic mascara by L'Oreal and my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and put those on. And I'll put this one on first, then coat it with this one. So yeah.
Sis, you're going way too fast for me. Hold up, give me a second. Let me just, you know what I'm saying? So, which is a smart idea. Like, honestly, I do this too, Aram. But I only use, like, a NYX bronzer-ish on my lid or something like that. This is actually kind of cute. I'm, like, feeling this. This is cute. Okay. Okay. She didn't highlight her brow bone, so, which is fine. Like, we're not gonna judge. Sometimes I don't do it. So...
Okay, so then I will take the highlighter that I have on my eyes and use this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Wisp and put that on.
Oh my god, I was using it. Okay, we're gonna do that.
Sometimes my highlighter makes my face look very...
Just putting highlighter in her forehead.
Weird. But this one, like, obviously is not a powder. It's like more of a gooey thing.
It's a creamy highlighter.
I actually take either or of these colors. This is the ColourPop. I got this for me.
Oh.
Gloss lip or the NYX Butter Gloss, and I think I'm taking.
So I put on her nose.
Except it's like super pink, like
oh, she didn't put on her chin.
Like neon pink. So I'll just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait a second. Oh my god, I have that, but I threw it away. Oh, I hate myself. Okay, I threw that one away. But we'll just look for a substitute. I don't use pinks. I use nudes, and she has lots of glosses. So I'm just gonna use a chapstick.
This could probably take you.
Alright, so she put on some mascara. Sadly, I don't have Better Than Sex, but I do have MAC. And I'm gonna stick with MAC because MAC is like has one of the best mascaras for me. So I'm just gonna... Very different from what I use. You guys already know how I am. And honestly, like, this is really nice because this is a nice makeup look. Like, I'm honestly feeling the eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? I feel the eyeshadow. But, like, Airams doesn't need a lot of makeup because she's already, like, really pretty. Doesn't have a lot of acne. She has nice brows. So she doesn't have to, like, put on a lot of makeup. Like, yours truly. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know how to end this. But if I have to... like make someone, do I have to make someone like do this challenge? If I have to make someone do this challenge, I'm making Alyssa, Vivian, and Airams do this challenge. They have to follow one of my makeup routines, and you guys better do it. Everyone that watches this video, go hashtag Shani on all of their pictures, and then make them go watch this video. Yeah. All right, guys. Alright guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Seeing me recreate Airams' date night look. You know what I'm saying? For this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell because I make videos every Thursday and I want you guys to get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!